Ba't ayaw gumalaw? Ito niyo. Sisira mo yan, ah. Ikaw, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. Hindi, yan na lang. Ginawa ko yan eh. Yung ito, sa project namin yan ginawa. Wala. Ay, ito. Lagyan mo tubig. Wanting na ako. Guys, welcome back to my channel again. I'm posting another episode. I'm gonna post 2 episodes plus right now. So here we go. Just press a key. Ooh, it's the next night. Ooh. Yeah, I know. I played this last year, but it wasn't this game. It was Abandoned Treasure Island. Let's check the comments again. Very worse. Hey. There used to be a camera here called the depths, but they removed it. I don't want to go to night 3 again. I will just stay in the same place for half an hour. I'm not just get scared. Okay, you can still. Ooh, yeah. Live. Check the stuff. Mm. You're more active so fast on this night. I got my volume on 50%, so that's good because I don't want to be scared that much like that. One time scared testing I was testing. Bro, this is gonna happen again, just staying in the same place for half an hour. For a minute. Now just wait. Bro, Oswald is alive. So please bless me. I am literally here. I hear you. Ooh, I knew that thing before. Let's just check the comments again. What the? You. This, this. I don't know if you hide in this for too long. You might become as Lester. I think. But we never played Abandoned. This Abandoned Treasure Island, not Discovery Island. The hell? The hell? The hell? He's there. Oh, he came back. Mm. Oh, let me check the face. Sansa! 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 Where is he? Bro! Oh, here he is. Here. Ah! 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 Takot ako kay... I just... Ah! Ah! Huwag ka nga pumasok kay Ichi. Pasok ba siya? Nikki, yes, he's still there. Oh, he's in the... Sinecheck ko yung next. It follows. Ah! What was that? Oh, at least I have new characters. The face, other people. I literally hate you. But first, before I end this episode, I'm gonna look at. Didn't even get to. Okay, let's look at the jump scare. That's the jump scare number one, two, in the powerhouse. Hiding jump scare. Oswald jump scare. Hide jump scare. Where's the? That's the no power. The face. And I think it's time for me to go. So goodbye.